Hello?
Hi, welcome to the refill bar. Can I help you?
Yes, I want refill my hand soap bottle.
You want to refill your hand soap bottle?
No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
What kind of soap you have?
We have lavender, lemon, and unscented hand soap.
Is it good for sensitive skin?
Yes, all our soaps are gentle and natural.
How much does it cost?
It is $3 for one bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the digital help table. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new laptop.
You want to set up your new laptop?
No problem. Do you have it with you?
Yes, but I not set up laptop before.
You have not set up a laptop before?
That's okay. First, open the laptop and press the power button.
I press this button?
Yes, that's right. Now, wait for the screen to turn on.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now, choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi.
I not know my Wi-Fi password.
You don't know your Wi-Fi password? Maybe it is on your router at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use my new laptop.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your laptop and come back if you need more help.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the art project. Can I help you?
Yes, I want paint a mural.
You want to paint a mural?
That's wonderful. Have you painted a mural before?
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before? No problem. We help beginners. What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I choose my own design?
Yes, you can choose your own design, but please keep it friendly for everyone.
How long I can paint?
You can paint for 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the art project.
That's wonderful. Your art will make the city beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the smoothie stand. Can I help you?
Yes, I want a smoothie. Can I add protein powder?
You want to add protein powder?
Yes. We have protein powder here.
I not add protein before.
You have not added protein before?
No problem. It is good for health.
What flavor protein you have?
We have vanilla and chocolate.
I want chocolate, please.
Great. What fruits do you want in your smoothie?
Banana and strawberry, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a healthy smoothie.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your drink.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the info booth. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about a weekend pass.
You want to know about a weekend pass?
Yes, do we have special passes for weekends?
I not buy weekend pass before.
You have not bought a weekend pass before?
No problem. It is easy to get.
How much does it cost?
It is $8 for unlimited rides on Saturday and Sunday.
Can I use it on bus and train?
Yes, you can use it on all buses and trains.
Where I can buy it?
You can buy it here or at any ticket machine.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to travel on weekend.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your trips.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rainwater tank. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to use rainwater for watering flowers.
You want to use rainwater for watering flowers?
That's great. Rainwater is very good for plants.
I not use rainwater before.
You have not used rainwater before?
No problem. It is easy.
How I get the water?
Just open the tap and fill your watering can.
Do I need to filter the water?
No, the rainwater here is already clean.
How much water I can take?
Take as much as you need, but please don't waste.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the flowers.
That's wonderful. The flowers will grow strong.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the sewing class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make a pillow cover.
You want to make a pillow cover.
That's great. Have you sewn before?
I not sew before.
You have not sewn before? No problem. We help beginners. What I need to bring?
Just bring some fabric. We have needles and thread here.
How long it take to make?
It takes about 1 hour.
Is it hard?
No, it is easy if you go slow and follow the steps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try sewing.
That's wonderful. You will make a beautiful pillow cover.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the language picnic. Can I help you?
Yes, I want practice English with a partner.
You want to practice English with a partner?
That's great. Many people are here to practice.
I not practice with partner before.
You have not practiced with a partner before?
No problem. Everyone is friendly.
How I find a partner?
Just say hello to someone and ask if they want to practice.
What we talk about?
You can talk about food, hobbies, or your day.
I am a little shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy at first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I see a poster for free dance class.
You see a poster for a free dance class?
Yes, we have one every Friday.
I not danced before.
You have not danced before?
No problem. The class is for beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring comfortable shoes and water.
Do I need to sign up?
No, you can just come and join.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try dancing.
That's wonderful. Dancing is fun and good for you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Board Game Café. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn a new card game.
You want to learn a new card game?
That's great. We have many card games here.
I not play card games before.
You have not played card games before?
No problem. I can teach you an easy one.
What is the name of the game?
This one is called Uno. It's fun and simple.
How many people can play?
2 to 6 people can play together.
Do I need to buy cards?
No, we have cards here for everyone.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a new game.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun.